These past days, I have been doing experiments on various websites on how to make money online as an African by doing simple tasks like watching YouTube videos. After thorough research, I have identified 5 platforms where Africans can make money online with the potential to withdraw up to $100 in just 30 minutes by simply watching and liking YouTube videos or even TikTok videos. If you are interested in this type of content, please do subscribe to this channel and like this video. Also, give me your feedback in the comment section below on what type of videos you would like to see in the future. This channel mainly focuses on how to make money online as an African, but all the websites or apps that I mention in these videos are available worldwide, so if you are from anywhere else in the world, it's also going to work for you. Side note, most of the websites that I'm going to recommend you today are mostly Russians, and I'm going to advise you to open a new Gmail account when you're trying to sign up. So now let's jump in. The first website I'm going to recommend you is called eVav. On this website, like the other ones I'm going to mention, their clients are usually people who want to boost their social media influence. For example, they want more followers on TikTok or more subscribers on YouTube. When you sign up, this is how your dashboard is going to look like, and here it says complete task automatically using our browser extension. And with most of these websites that I'm going to mention, they are all going to ask you to download a browser extension. Number 2, make money on social networks by completing simple tasks like liking or subscribing. Number 3, invite friends and earn percentage of their earnings. And number 4 is withdraw your earnings. On the left side of the screen, you can see it says task categories, and these are the tasks that you're going to perform to get money. You can either like TikTok videos or like YouTube videos or follow people or subscribe to YouTube accounts. Moving on, the second website is called Bucks.money. As you can see, this is a Russian website, and the other ones I'm going to recommend will also be Russian websites, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can Google translate it so that you can use the platform. On the right side of my screen, you can see there is a small star. Next to it is the Google Translate button. Once I click on it, it's going to give me the option to translate the website in English. After you have translated it, click on where it says for performers. After that, you will see the page that says earn money by completing tasks. When you scroll down, you can see the many options that they provide for you to make money online with this website. Just like eVav and other websites that I'm going to mention, all you're going to do is simply liking videos or watching videos, and that's it. That's how you're going to make your money. The third website is called savana.com. In this website, you're going to make money by watching ads or completing simple tasks. On the website, it says install extension for Google Chrome, and this is how it's going to work. So number 1, you install the Savana extension in your browser. Number 2, the extension displays advertising banners, and number 3, you receive money by simply watching those ads. As you scroll down, you can see they are showing us how you're going to withdraw your money. Most of these paying systems are unknown to me, but the one that I know is Payeer, and it is available worldwide just like PayPal. When these websites tell you that you can withdraw your money with Payeer, don't be scared. It is available worldwide, especially to Africans, and it's just like PayPal. The fourth website is called serve.b. This is also an advertising platform, so they're going to ask you to like videos or watch videos for their clients. On the website, you need to click on those 3 lines and then click on make money on tasks. So they are showing you all the options that you have to make money with this website, and you can make money by viewing advertising banners or by visiting the advertisers' websites or watching videos or through their affiliate program. The withdrawal rate on this website is as low as 0.03 cents, and they have instant withdrawal time of 1 minute. So this is how you're going to make money on serve.b. Number 1, register yourself. Number 2, install serve.b extension on your browser. Number 3, complete the task that you're given, and lastly, get your money after you complete your tasks. The fifth and last website is called taskpay.ru. It is also a Russian website, so you're going to Google translate the page. It is similar to the other website that I mentioned, and this is an advertising website where the clients want you to watch their videos or like their videos. It says you're going to make your money by doing simple tasks. Basically, you're going to like videos or watch videos of their clients. Number 2 says fast and convenient withdrawal. Their minimum amount for payout is 100 rubles. Number 3, you're going to get paid through a referral program. So when you invite your friends and they sign up and complete their task, you are going to get paid 30% of their earnings. The rest is for their clients. For example, the rating system, the distribution of execution by time or favorable prices is for their clients, and that's it. These are the 5 websites that I discovered these past days, and I hope you make some money from it, especially as an African, and these websites are available worldwide. If you stuck through this video, please do subscribe to this channel and like this video. Also give me your feedback in the comment section below.